So this is a new way to actually invoice people. So for those who have requested invoices, I know we've previously done it through FreshBooks, but you can now actually do this right within Squarespace. So I can show you how to do that. So if you log into Squarespace, on the left-hand side, you'll see your menu might look a little bit different, but you should see invoicing now as one of a key menu item. So if you click on that and you click on invoices, in our particular case, we're not going to really be using projects, although we can do that. But in this case, we're going to be using invoices, and you can see really quickly, it'll say create your first invoice. So we're going to do that. And then we can either do it as at a new client, an existing client, or we're just going to do ourselves as a test. So this is me as a test, and it's going to do this pretty much in one click, really nice and easily. And it's just going to show just like this. So we're going to have the name, the due date. So this is due upon receipt, but you can actually schedule when you want the invoice due. You can add a little like memo. This is like I do thanks for your business, but I'll say something like thanks for your support in this case. We're running a nonprofit. And then it'll have the summary here as well as the tax ID, which is really important. So you've got automatically that Speak Up, Stand Up tax ID, the organization's tax ID here at the bottom. I'm going to add a line item. I'm going to say something like gold sponsor. And so it'll tell you whether it's a service or physical. You can select either one. In this case, it's going to be a service. We're going to do option 1. Say $5,000. Hit done. Okay, so this is our invoice for a gold sponsor. We're going to send that out, and I'm going to go ahead and do a test here. The once sent, recipients will be able to pay this invoice. You can edit and resend an invoice until a payment has been made. So once a payment's been made, of course, we can't really go back and adjust that. So I'm going to go ahead and send this as a test. And you can see it is outstanding and it's marked unpaid here. And I have just gotten an email. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. You can see Speak, Stand, Save, invoice from Speak, Stand, Save. And we've got this right here. Invoice for me, due upon receipt. This is who it's billed to, the quantity. And then actually, this is really good. So for like people who want to pay by credit card, if you send them an invoice, you can actually add the processing fee here if you want to. Now, we've already negotiated a really low fee with Stripe. Their nonprofit fee, which I believe is at 1.9% or 2.2%. Either way, it's the lowest in the industry. And so we've got a really good deal on that. But right now, me as the quote-unquote sponsor, I can go ahead and pay this invoice. And if I click on that, you can see here, it has the order summary, and it's just going to walk me through that regular checkout that we're used to. So it's a really nice, easy way to invoice people. I think you'll really like this. It's one less system that you have to sort of learn, and the accounting is all done in the same area. So that's kind of a perk for doing it this way. Now, if you have any questions as you go along here, don't hesitate to let me know, and I will look out for any comments or questions you might have. Thank you.